Now go the other way. Go get it! She'll come back, don't worry. Meadow, come over here and she'll come. She'll come, don't worry. There she is.
Stop! I command you!
Get her leash, Matt. Get her leash. There, Lily got it. Okay. One more time for the video.
Where do I want to go now?
Shoot the puck, Lily.
Sunshine!
Now that's good video. Stay where you are. That's a command. Get her leash, Lily. Get her leash, Lily.
Daniel, get the puck.
Get the leash, Lily.
Pull off her tail.
Pull on her tail, says Meadow. Okay, shoot the puck for Lily, Meadow.
Let go.
Meadow, shoot the puck for Lily.
I don't have my stick. Oh, where is it? Where is it?
Okay, this isn't going well. You're supposed to be dog skiing.
That would totally be dog.
I can see that. Good goal, Lily. Oh, Sunshine's going to hide the pucks.
I want to go on the dog.
Well, then get the leash. Wait, Lily, wait. Meadow's gonna grab the leash. Meadow, Lily, let Meadow get the leash. Who's winning? There she goes. Got girls. Girls, come back here and she'll come. Okay, get the leash. Now, who's doing it, Lily or Meadow?
I want to next time. Med, remember, no slap shots.
Okay, pull. Come on, Sunshine, look. Go get it. All right. Survival of the fittest here, I think. Okay, say bye, girls.
What? Wait, what? There's no, action.
That's like 4 minutes.
Action.
That's 4 minutes. Come on, Sunny.
Sunshine, show us some action. We're keeping a dog.
Ouch. Okay, that's enough of this.